Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the top grill on your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws securing the grill. Pull the grill down from the top to detach. Prepare the new top grill for installation by transferring the 2 support clips from the old grill to the new one, or install new clips. Now align the grill tabs with the slots in the frame and snap the grill into position. Rethread the 3 screws. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make it easier to rethread the screw on the right. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.